Today I'm in the UK and I'm going to be sharing something very special that my girlfriend, my mum and I will experience together for the very first time. Yes, welcome back. Welcome to a very different video. Still on the theme of ticking off my ultimate bucket list, but we're not actually currently in Thailand, as you can see. We're in Newcastle. Both my parents are from Newcastle and I spent quite a lot of my childhood growing up here before I moved to London. Lost the Geordie accent, but remained as a Geordie, as a part of the Toon Army. As you can see on this channel over the years, whenever I've done anything of significance, whether it was jumping out of an aeroplane, climbing tallest mountains across the world, or cycling across Thailand, I've always liked to represent my true love, Newcastle United, by wearing the football shirts, by wearing the jerseys. And today, now that I'm back here visiting family, I actually have an opportunity to tick something off my bucket list, and I thought I would bring along you guys to share the experience. So I'm actually here on holiday with Miss P. We took a trip up to the Scotland Highlands, we went down to York, and we've been in the UK for about 2 weeks, but we couldn't come all the way over here without coming to visit my mum and just hang out and have family time, which is exactly what we've been doing. But I managed to track down 3 tickets for the match, so it's just a beautiful moment. Hopefully we'll solidify lots of great memories today. Hopefully we'll win, and I just want to teach you about Newcastle and the club, because it's a big part of who I am, and I think you'll get to know me a little bit better through this video. You'll meet my mum, you'll meet Miss P, and you'll become part of the Toon Army today. Thought that was you singing. How are you?
Fabulous, excited.
When was the last time you went to a match? Do you remember?
At St James's Park, it must be at least 5 years. That's how difficult it is to get a ticket.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Are we going to win?
Especially to be going with Paddy. We're going to win at a push. I think we might just win by 1 goal, maybe 2-1.
That's my prediction as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Gotta try on. Is it in the middle?
Let me see.
Kind of.
Yay! It takes about 20 minutes to get into the city by train from my mum's house. What's particularly unique about Newcastle is our stadium is bang in the centre, in the heart of the city. And so on match days, fans come from all directions and converge in the centre. This just adds to the magic and to the atmosphere of the whole experience of going to a match.
Yeah, I'll read, Paddy. You excited?
Yes. I'm trying to think when... The last time I saw a match was 3 years ago, and I think we played Wolverhampton and we won 4-1.
Fantastic.
But yeah, it's been a long time, and it's been years since we've been to a match
yes,
before.
Yes, it is.
And Miss P's never been. We did actually go on a stadium tour last time we came to Newcastle 3 months ago, but there was no match, so there was no chance to get a ticket.
No.
But that was fun, wasn't it?
Yes,
we got to go to the dressing room and the press conference, and we got a tour of the stadium, and it was brilliant.
Touch the pitch.
Yeah, we did, yeah.
The hallowed ground.
So, I was mentioning before, people from Newcastle are called Geordies. So, for people watching from home, they're all they're from all around the world. So, what, apart from being from the same place, what do you think makes Geordies together? What's the similarities between everybody from Newcastle?
I think being a Geordie it's a sense of belonging all together. It's quite a small city. And we're all passionately proud about where we come from. And it's just that sense of belonging, and we're all in it together. And being in the north, it's not always dead easy compared to a lot of money in this country gets spent in the south as opposed to the north. But just everyone's dead friendly, so you never have it. You don't sit next to someone on the bus and not have a little chat with them. It's just the way it is. And on match day, there's only one team to support, and it's just fantastic.
Mm-hmm. And we all hate Sunderland.
Yes, we do.
Right, we're going to get the train into the Toon.
We are.
The Toon is just the word for town, and the Toon Army is us. We are the Toon Army, Newcastle United fans. Miss P is now a adopted member of the Toon Army.
Yeah.
We'll have to teach you some songs today.
Yes.
And we're going to go, our tradition is we get the train into the town, walk up to the pub, go meet our uncles, your brothers.
Yeah, in Rosie's bar.
And have a couple of pints and then make our way and find where we're sat. I bought these tickets on a reselling website, so there is a little bit of an issue. We hope we can get in, and we're not...
Let's not think about that.
Let's not think about it. We should be fine. We should be
Where
fine.
are we going?
So yeah, are you excited?
I am. How are the lads?
How are the tune? Before we get to the match, I just want to say a big thank you to the sponsor, Airalo. These guys are incredible. If you're going on holiday in the next few weeks or months this summer, maybe you're going to Spain, Greece, Turkey, Thailand, wherever you're going, you're going to want to get an eSIM with Airalo. When you're relaxing at the beach or by the pool and you want to listen to your audiobook or watch YouTube or your music, whatever you use your phone for pretty much, you're going to want to be able to just use data from a local network. You don't want to have to connect to dodgy, slow, unreliable Wi-Fi. So what you do is you select the country that's on Airalo's website or on the app, and you just scroll through and see which deal suits your trip or your holiday the best. I'm just going to quickly search on the app for a good deal for potentially, let's say you're going to Spain. If you don't know, by the way, an eSIM is something you download on your phone through the software, install it before or when you're there. Better to install it before, because then the second you land on the runway, you can toggle on your data and you'll be able to receive calls, surf the web, and you don't need to change your phone number, which is very important. There's quite a lot of options here, but the best one for a 7-day, just a week trip, you can get one for as little as $4.50, and that is before my discount. I'll tell you what that is in a second. But look, you don't have to line up in a queue at the airport to buy a SIM card and install it manually. That can obviously take a lot of time and hassle. You can just go to Airalo's website or download the app, search for the country that you're going to, find the best package, install it, and when you land on the runway, and it's safe to do so, you just toggle it on and you've got data, you've got coverage, you've got the internet, and you can call home, text home using your own phone number. So thank you to Airalo. Download the app, check it out, it's free to do. And then when you find a deal that you like, if you use the code PADDY3 at checkout, you'll get $3 off, meaning that eSIM deal that I found in Spain will only be $1.50. And then if you need to top up and add more data as you go, you can always do that within the app. Thank you to Airalo. Now, how are the tune? Okay, pre-match pint at Rosie's complete, and something very strange that you might never have seen before. This is actually called Sunshine in Newcastle. Kind of unbelievable. The beautiful blue sky, the cherry blossoms behind us, and all the Geordies and the Toon Army making our way up to the stadium. So today we are playing Tottenham Hotspur, and it's a 12:30 kickoff on a Saturday. Sun's out, Premier League match. Not really a lot up for grabs because we're coming up to the end of the season and we are way behind Tottenham. Tottenham are in 4th place in the Champions League position and they're looking very happy. We've had a little bit of a up and down season. But yeah, if we win, I think the main goal is to finish above United for me. That would be nice, wouldn't it, Mum?
Yes, that'll do. That'll do, mate.
Exactly. Another pre-match ritual is to go see the Bobby Robson statue and have a quick rub for good luck because, well, as every Geordie does, we love Bobby Robson, and there's a statue to commemorate him and Alan Shearer, 2 of the club legends. I can't believe it's so sunny in Newcastle. Right, should we go find our seats?
Yeah, let's go.
Babe, how do you feel about the seats?
I should ask you, what do you think about the seat?
We've got great seats. We're right on the corner flag, and it's a beautiful sunny day, but we're not in the sun, which is nice.
Is it worth the money?
Yeah, of course it is, because, you know, even though I had to pay well over ticket price, this is a resale website, so you pay for that. Also, every time I come to Newcastle for the past 3 years, we've never played at home. We've always had an away match. And whenever can I come to the UK to see my family and take you to a match with my mum?
Yay!
This is bucket list. So this is why I decided, you know what, we'll say goodbye to a couple of £100 and we'll come watch the tune.
Let's do it!
Away the tune!
Away the lads!
Okay, it's half time, Mum. 2-0 up.
Fantastic. We must have had about 15 corners, I reckon, at least.
I know, it's been all us. They nearly scored at the first 5 minutes. Luckily, they...
He kicked it over the Tyne Bridge, I think.
And then we scored 2 goals right after each other, and everyone's been going mental. Beautiful day, 2-0 up. Hopefully, second half we can continue. Yeah.
Another 3, maybe?
Aye. Away 5-0.
Away 5-0, yes.
Babe, how are you enjoying the first half?
I think it's a good game so far.
Yeah. And what do you think of the atmosphere? It's a bit different now that it's full house, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. A bit different from Thailand, from the game that I have watched before.
Oh yeah, I suppose more people.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you're our good luck charm. 4-0.
4-0, not quite 5, but I'll let them off.
Great match, wasn't it?
Fantastic.
Great
Brilliant.
seats, in the sun,
Yeah.
beautiful day in the Toon.
Yeah, and the lads were fighting for every ball, loved every minute of it. Fantastic.
Right, we're again doing the Toon.
We are. Whee!
Miss P and my mum are going to go shopping. I'm going to go meet my uncles for a pint.
Whee!
I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed a little slice of Newcastle, where we're from,
Brilliant.
some of the culture of my family and where we come from. How are the Toon?
Hey!
How are the lads?
Man of the match, Gordon.
Okay.
Hey!